Hey guys, if you like puppies, then I'm just basically, we're just gonna show some puppies. Since I'm really bored, I'm just gonna do it. If you guys want more like this, little puppies, and these are Australian Shepherds. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh. He's hiding. Playing hide and seek with someone. I love it. Oh wow. That looks like my dog Spencer when he was a pup. So is it. And that. Actually looks like him right there. That is almost exactly like him, the one on the right. Oh. Oh man, that's so cute. Oh, he's gonna get boned. He's hungry. What the? Look at that. Oh wow. So many puppies. That looks almost exactly my dog. He's hungry. Well guys, I will put the link to basically where I saw this in the description below. And please like and subscribe. So peace out, pets.